YouTubers, thanks again for your subscriptions, your comments, and also your likes. Thank you again for listening to us this week. So what we're going to do this week is talk about the types of traffic that Russell Brunson talks about. But before I do that, I'd just like to say again, please do, when you can, put in some sort of suggestions, likes, comments, so we can get back to you, so we can either make this better or try and keep on going what we're doing. Yeah, thank you. So just to mention about the actual three types of funnels that Russell talks about. First of all, we're talking about the traffic that you control, specifically the ads that you do, everything from ads on Google, Facebook, also paying for click to pay, also as well on YouTube. From the point of view of traffic that you earn, you get social media. You virtually every time you actually go onto your email page, family and friends pages, Facebook profile, Instagram bio, everything that you use, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever medium you use, whatever platform you use, always try and leave a little link to your actual product, to your ClickFunnels. Just basically get people to move on with that and do that organically. So obviously you're not paying for any traffic. All you're doing is putting it out there, people look at it, get interested, and then go to your funnel. And thirdly, finally, traffic that you own. So let's say, for instance, you've got a decent following on YouTube, on Facebook, you've got your own Facebook group, wherever, then basically you own that list. So what you can do is you can put that out to your list, ask them to go and try or check your product out, and then if you want to buy it, there you go. So what we're talking about again is three straightforward traffics: traffic you own, traffic you earn, and traffic you control. Okay, thank you again for watching. Same again, please do subscribe, click on that bell for the next videos. There will be a link below for the actual connection to the One Funnel Away challenge. Thank you.